Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam, yes.
Estamos entre Arizona, Nevada. Only 30 minutes from home. It was a nice ride.
Little drive, yeah.
Just little, yes, it was nice.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Only 30 minutes from home. You see the Hoover Dam down there.
I thought it was gonna be fuller.
What you mean?
Of water?
I mean, yeah. It's drying. It's drying up.
It's drying up too?
I'm pretty sure it's drying up. Yeah.
Oh no.
We park over there. That's Arizona over there. Just gotta walk down there. Feels real nice right now.
The weather is perfect. So nice, and there's no sun. Which
Yeah,
is great.
it's great.
It's just nice weather.
Yeah, it is real nice right now. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's breezy, it's not too windy. Está perfecto para venir a caminar, relajarse
Sí.
y mirar esto que lo que looks so beautiful. And this is the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. It's nice. It's massive. What do you think about it?
It's nice, yeah. Scary. Very
Yeah,
high.
it's very high. If you're scared of the heights, still come.
Yeah.
Why not?
Still.
So, you're safe.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. I mean.
So over there would be Arizona. Over here would be Nevada. That's a bridge. We cross. So you go to Vegas. And as you see, the water is flowing. So I think it doesn't. I don't know if it ever stops. Oh, there's. I didn't know that fact at all. It was named after the 31st president of the United States. ¿Sabías eso?
No, I didn't.
Cool.